Hello, everyone. Today I'm here with Prabha, and he's going to give a speech on the impact of television on young minds. So, how are you feeling, Prabha, right now?
I'm so excited about this today's topic because this topic is so much related for every child's childhood.
Exactly.
Yes.
Absolutely right. So, you can start with
Okay.
your speech.
So my today's topic is about the impact of television on young minds. The first thing is that what is a young mind? Then young minds are the young children from the years of 5 to 14 because these are the most young minds which are most productive for the any work and any civilization. So if we say that television plays a very important role in these young minds because they are starting with their screening profile with the television firstly, then they switch towards the mobile. Like nowadays everyone switches from to mobile first. But at the times of 2018 or 2020, the main thing was television because no one, like the parents also were not so much aware of the mobile phones and the laptops. So at that time, the majorly the people or the children, like the young minds of the young childs, were only dependent on the television to pass their time. That we also say that when we were very much young, that at that time we used to see the television only. That was only our playtime and the passing time because on that generally the people used to see the cartoons. Like the young minds see the cartoons, and some more creative and productive young minds see the discoveries and the National Geographic for their geography or their animal knowledge and for their interest. So, as per me, this television makes either it will ruin the young productivity, but it can also boom it because either, like we say that everything has a boom and a very ruin. That if a person is only seeing the like cartoons, then it will be ruining its profile and the productivity and the creativity of the person. But if the child is seeing the National Geographic and the important, like sometimes the people or the young mind see the like news, then they become they become more creative, that what is going in the whole world. And they are also aware of the current affairs that recently Narendra Modi ji has gone in South Africa or where. Then they are also knowledgeable about that also. So as per me, if any person or the young child is seeing only cartoon, then it can ruin its mind because uh, like the cartoon will only make him childish. And but at the age of around 10 to 12, now it is the age of learning new things, learning new habit, learning new uh, skills, so that the person or the child is going to enrich himself towards the his classes and the profile of his first to 12th. But some childs always see the cartoons and they doesn't see that what the like for example, if we say that Ninja Tori or any other cartoon like Oggy and the Cockroaches, these are the prime cartoons which any child is knowing about them because these are one of the most famous that every child sees it. But if we say that these cartoons are not so much about like they will not so much boom our career, our mind. But if we see the National Geographic and the Discovery, then they will only make our mind more creative. So as per me, like in the conclusion, I just say that seeing television is not bad, but seeing the correct form of television is more good than to see only the cartoons and the useless thing on TV. And TV also ruin our time also, as there for 5 minutes thing we see the 2 minutes or 3 minutes ad. So TVs are like nowadays TVs are getting useless.
Yeah, rightly said. Of course, as you said, every coin has two sides.
Yes.
And it's up to you. Like when you watch cartoons in a young age, like if you're 2 years old, 3 years old, it is very helpful to learn the language and grab the language.
Yes.
Just suppose if there is a child who is 2 years old and he starts watching English cartoons, so it is really helpful for him to get the language. But if you are 24, 25, it's the right time for you to work on your career.
Yes.
But just you are watching cartoons throughout the day for the entertainment, which is not that good. So better choose something which is going to help you to earn money to survive, right? So
Yes.
whatever you said, that is exactly right. So we need to keep limits on our mind. Like whatever we do, that's absolutely right. Entertainment is also important for our life, but it does not mean that we have to do entertainment 24 by 7, right? So yes, I am really happy with your presentation, and thank you, Prabha, for preparing this topic. It was really nice.
Thank you.